Right now, we're in the heart of the city. Where are we headed? To the mountains. Today, I've got the perfect tool for the job. I'm driving the Volvo XC60 plug-in hybrid. Volvo's plug-in hybrid features a turbo and supercharged gasoline engine paired with an electric motor for a combined 400 horsepower. On these streets, we're in pure mode, which offers low to zero tailpipe emissions via all-electric propulsion. But once we leave the city limits, it's time to bring the gasoline engine on board. Besides tuning both motors for maximum performance, Power Mode also lowers the suspension for better handling and tightens up the brakes and steering. The thing about the T8 twin engine is, yes, it's a hybrid, but there's still a lot of power. And the double wishbone plus air suspension is very agile. And I love the way these LED lights look in the fog. No one will miss you coming. There is so much to play with in here. And the best part, features like LED headlights, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and leather seats are all standard. And in terms of optional equipment, it doesn't get much better than Volvo's Bowers & Wilkins sound system. The big, clear driver display does a great job of showing you only the information you need, so you're not distracted. That way, you can keep your eyes on the road. Half the reason for taking a drive like this is for the scenery. Plus, the standard panoramic roof really makes you feel surrounded by the environment. That's what the XC60 does so well. Combines top-of-class tech, dynamic design, a luxurious cabin, all wrapped up into one handsome package. And now we're here. Wherever you go, the XC60 plug-in hybrid combines the range and power of a gas engine with the efficiency of a hybrid. The drive today was a lot of fun. Not a lot of hybrids go this fast.